Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this MCM model, MCM128S, in color code 733. It's a shiny gold black color frame. On the temples here we have an MCM emblem in gold. It has a gold temple tip. And the tip of the temple, it also has an MCM emblem in gold. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the other side of the temple. It has the MCM emblem in the temple tip. And the MCM emblem in gold. The lenses are a brown color. The style of this frame is Fashion Pilot. Up here we have an MCM case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.